Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to share Google Maps locations with your students in Google Classroom. Let's go ahead and take a look here at my Google Map. And let's say I'm teaching my students about interesting places in Maine geography, and I want to share with them something about a place called Screw-Auger Falls, which is a neat little place if you're ever visiting Maine to go check out. Now, I could share this map view with my students by just clicking that share button, copying the link, and then putting it in, let's say, a post in my Google Classroom. And let's say, check out the views of Screw-Auger Falls. And I'll put in a little link, paste that in, add the link, and now my students can go and click that link in Google Classroom and go directly to that exact same view. So I'll post that option. Now, another option, let's say I want to get very specific with what my students are looking at. Well, maybe I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Or perhaps I'll use the peg person to find some street view imagery and drop right into some street level imagery here. And here's some neat imagery from April 2021 submitted by Sam Bell. Thank you, Sam. And I want to share or embed that specific image. Then I can copy that link, and I can take that link and I might say, again, check out this imagery of Screw-Auger Falls. And this imagery is going to be a little bit more specific than the general imagery that I shared earlier. So now my students can go and jump right into that image that I've shared. Now there's a third option, and the third option gets us into very fine controls over the locations that we're sharing. So previously we shared the link to this whole map, and then students would go and kind of zoom around. But I could also say I want my students to go to a very specific spot on the map. And to do that, I'll right-click on the map, and then I'll get the latitude and longitude coordinates. I'm going to copy those to my clipboard, and then in Google Classroom, I'm going to write a little note. I'm going to say, students, in the Google Maps search box, enter these coordinates. And I'll paste those into my announcement in Google Classroom and post it. And now my students will have to take those coordinates and in Google Maps, in the search box up here, they'll paste those in. And when they do so, they'll go directly to the space or the place that I have specified via latitude and longitude coordinates. So those are 3 ways that you can share Google Maps imagery and locations with your students in Google Classroom. As always, for more things like this, please visit freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.